Hi everyone, this is Russell Lowe speaking, and a quick demo on something that looks a little bit like a crane. You'll see that this is using some models and that I've actually tried a few different versions of this thing using constraints, and actually this one's quite nice. I'll just drop into the world and you can see if I hit P it moves across like that, and if I hit L it moves back in that direction. Unfortunately, when you do it vertically, things don't really go so well. So that's using constraints. There's a bit of movement clearly in those joints. If we come back to this one here, all I've done is, I'll just jump out of the game, I've parented each one of these objects back to the one here, so clicked on this one, hit link object and then dragged it to this one, then clicked on this one and hit link object and drag it to this one, and if we look at the list you'll see, where are we, that's geometric entity 47, and there it is in the list, which is parented to 46, 44, 43 back to 42, which is that puppy there. Alright, so the way the flow graph is set up is that as this one moves this way, this one moves in the opposite direction. So if I hit the, should jump into the game, Control G, if I hit the right arrow you can see they all move relative to each other, so the end result is the N1 goes in and out flat. So having a quick look at the flow graph for this, you can see I've got a proximity trigger, and all that does is say if you're inside it then enable this stuff and get things going. So then you can have them all over the place, but you have to be in specific places for those keys to work. It means the keys, these left and right keys, will work for everything. You don't have to have different ones for everything, every instance. So all it's doing is move entity 2 and it's rotating at -25 and +25 with the other key press, and if you're not pressing it, it closes the gate and pauses the animation. So it would be constantly rotating if we didn't say it was paused, and you can see that it's paused at the beginning. And then all I do is grab that like that, and go right click. Actually I might as well just do one, show you. So we'll grab this one and go right click, copy, and then if you come down here, right click and you can go paste with links, and it'll drag all of the links again. So we could have added another one, another link or another element to our system. So just Control Z to get rid of that. Now, so for the second one, I've already got the keys pressed, so they're coming down into here, and all I need to do is go into the next one and tell it what entity to rotate. So I add an extra element and then tell it what that element is in this part of the flow graph here. And that was just a copy paste with links, and then I copy pasted with links again and named this one 46, and then copy pasted with links again and named that one 47, which is essentially, if you've got a element selected, you just go into here and go right click and assign selected entity. And that's 52, so that's the wrong one. So we'll come back over here, that's going to clash with one of my other things, and this should be 47, so just select it, right click on here and go assign selected entity. So there you go, and the end result once again is I'm inside the proximity, I can make it move left and right, casting wonderful shadows. And then if I come outside of the proximity, which is sort of over here, left and right, as you can see on the screen, not working. Hang on, I'll just hold down right and no, there we go. So it must be the proximity trigger there. Walk backwards a bit and you see they're not working again. Good, so hopefully you can make something a little bit more interesting. Formally, it does the same trick. Cheers, see you.